Hey there, YouTubers. Wheeze here. A little late on my video today, but I've definitely been having fun streaming these games with this incredible app I'm about to show you here in a little bit. I don't know how new or old this app might be, but it done changed the game for me. Previously, I thought that streaming or recording off the screen on your phone was, something only saved for iPhones and the newest of the Samsung devices and all the bullshit. I'm using something cheap. Using something that maybe cost me like $100, like an LG K7. I haven't had any complaints yet, but come on. When it comes to the best of the best, this thing doesn't compete, obviously. Anywho, almost abandoning that dream, I couldn't sleep last night, so I ran a quick search online. Few trial and errors. Apparently, what's it called? YouTube gaming. That sucks. It doesn't work. It's stupid. At least for me. At least for low-end phones, it is not ideal. However, I forgot the name of the app, but fuck! What's the name of the app? What is the name? Well, I'll be attaching another video to this video, and by then I'll know the name of the app. So let's just imagine we know the name of the app. This app is awesome. You can record straight off your screen. You can stream straight off your screen. You can stitch photos and videos together. You can stitch and add music, intros and credits, and it's all free. It's completely free. There's no paid whatever. It's not freemium. There's no advertisements, and I'm actually surprised this isn't dominating the market. You know what, it might be. I don't know. Anywho, let's dive right on in. So we're gonna dive on in here. Ignore Pokemon Playhouse. I don't know why I was looking at that. Oh, goodness. Anyway, it's called DU Recorder. And what it does is it allows you to put things together and stream things and do cool things. Let's see, resolution and all the stuff. You can store it on your SD card, which is a really big fucking deal. Really big deal, because if I couldn't do it on my SD card, I would literally be recording like 2 or 3 minutes at a time, deleting it before I could do anything else. It gives you all sorts of advanced options that I'm not familiar with yet. I've been using this app for a little less than a day, but I've managed to make 2 videos with it so far, and I really like it. Yes, see, here's the main page. DU Recorder. It's number 2, see, with my 5 stars. Submit. It is the tits. It is the tits. But it is so far my favorite app. With that, I've been able to do all kinds of things, from playing games to playing games. I don't think I've done anything else. By the way, has any of you managed to find your way to my YouTube channel yet? It's looking a little barren. 4 subscribers and just a handful of really poorly made videos. You know what, this one right here, I want to talk about this one. Sounds like I'm about to be on my way. Vindicator! Let's go Vindicators too! Oh, shit. Let me finish coughing on this hit. But that amazing something was used making an app. Was made using an app called Magisto. It has a free and a paid version. However, with the free trial, you're able to make actual professional quality commercial like bullshit, and they let you go all out. Let's see. Let's use this one. No, I'm not going to make it. You know what? This isn't a tutorial. This is just bullshit and more playing with the DU. Anywho, I got way too high. I just forgot what I was going on about. Anyway, let's maneuver back to YouTube. I want you people to like and subscribe and get more love from me, and I will give more love to you. This has been Phone Grab with Wheeze. I hope you've enjoyed. I know I did.